morning, sir. My name is Drew Brush with the Pennsylvania State Police. Can I please see your license, registration, and proof of insurance? That's fine, man. You have no weapons on you or anything like that? I gotta let you know right now you're being audibly and visually recorded, alright? Yeah. The reason I pulled you over is because we're actually doing 53 and a 35. Coming from work? Alright, you can keep that. I gotta run you back to the plate. Just give me a few seconds to run out information. We'll be back with you, okay? Alright, there you go, man. I'm gonna give you a citation today, but instead of citing you for 53 over, I cited you for 5 over. There's no points associated with it. It's like $150 less of a fine. My printer broke off halfway through, but this has all the information you need. The most important thing you need right there is you need to respond to the citation by calling that number within 10 days, just during business hours. If you don't respond within 10 days, a warrant will be issued for arrest and your license will be suspended.